rhubarb I planted last year. I had previously planted it over here, and recently I dug it up, and while I was digging it up to transplant it right here, a piece broke off, which is fantastic because what I did was I planted that piece in another area of my plot. This is where I placed the piece that broke off. Now, it had more stalks, which I cut off. I wanted the best chance of the roots taking, and I don't really think that the plant needed all these large stalks. So I took them home, washed them, chopped them up, and put them in my freezer.